On the intervening night of 17th November 2022 and 18th November 2022, a naka was set up by Riboy police for checking of illegal contrabands coming from other states along the National Highway 06 falling under Mawphor PS. So while the naka was being conducted in the early hours of 18/11/2022, we managed to detain a passenger bus with a registration number MN01 AA0484. So based on thorough checking of the passenger bus, our team of Riboy police officers and personnel, we managed to recover around 158 soap boxes of suspected heroin. So based on the recovery, weight and measurement as well as a preliminary test was conducted, and it was confirmed to be a high-grade heroin. And the value of the high-grade heroin is around 14 crores in the market value, and the total weight is around 1.85 kgs. So this is one of the highest recoveries by the Meghalaya police in a single day. And also in this connection, 3 persons have been detained, namely Rashijuddin from Manipur, Bishnupur district, Saddam Hussain from Bishnupur district of Manipur, and Iqbal Hussain from Bishnupur district of Manipur. So an NDPS case has been registered in this regard, as well as investigation is presently on. Riboy Police as such is maintaining a high vigil under the guidance of our Honorable Director General of Police, Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, to ensure that Meghalaya becomes drugs free. Especially Riboy being a district which connects many states through the National Highway 06, we are ensuring that we are having regular nakas as well as patrollings to ensure that these antisocial elements do not penetrate drugs into our society, which spoils the youth of Meghalaya. Thank you.